Hello folks, this is Keith down Redwood Groves, and today we are doing a little board and batten job here. I've got a huge, I say huge, pine butt log. It was like 26 inches at the butt end, and I've started canting this, and then I decided this is a good video for me and for hopefully you guys. This is the biggest cant that I've done on this saw, and what I'm going to do on this is I'm going to take this board, or this cant, finger there, I'm going to cut it 6 and 8 inches. So I'll have two board and batten jobs going at once. So I'll flip, once I cut the 6 and 8, I'll flip them over and I can start doing 1x, and every time I saw, I'll get a 1x6 and 1x8. A little bit faster production, but you got to have a bigger log to be able to do that. So that's what we're going to do today. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's cut these this can into a 6-inch and an 8-inch. I'll turn these 90 degrees to start being able to cut these into 1x. So on the Wood Mizer simple set, I'm trying to cut 1x and my blade is a 1/16. So you got to set the simple set for 1 1/16 to get your boards 1 inch. Now, what you do, what I like to do, is I try to measure how tall the boards are, and based on that I do a multiplier to see about how many I'm going to get. This tells me I'm going to get 12 boards. So I want to set it for, I think it's 13.81, and then let the simple set go through, and then we'll start getting 1x's. I might not get full 1x6 or 1x8s, 8 feet long, but I'll be able to use those for stickers or maybe some of the batten. So let's try to roll this thing. Well, as you can see, I could get down to that last board is 1 inch thick. You can do, I'm doing 1 inch and a 1/16, and you can go down to 1 inch without hitting the stops. Somehow I lost the clamps. They must have loosened up. They were stuck in some little bit of a wane, both of them were. So you can see the boards. I don't know when I actually lost the clamps, but the boards were moving a little bit side to side, but with the extra weight, the boards aren't lifting up. I don't know if you also noticed when I go to start, I'm using the Wood Mizer Turbo 747 blades, and they seem to want to do a little bit of chatter for me. And so what I do is I try to slow down the entrance when it goes into the wood to give it a chance to stabilize. So I kind of pull back and hold the saw back a little bit as it's going, and once it gets in, I can let it go and let it keep the feed rate. I find that's a little easier than trying to change the speed control. It's very sensitive, and just doing a little twist in that, I'm just be constantly playing with it. So I kind of like to find a feed rate that I like and just leave it there and just keep going, and I can control how fast it enters the board a little easier, and it goes that way. So let's see how much wood we actually got. So how many boards did we get? We got 12 1x6 and 8 1x8s out of that cant. I don't know how many board feet that is. I'll have to calculate that later, and I might put it in as a note here. I still have some pieces that I could make some of the batten or some stickers. So all in all, that was a great productivity out of that log. Really excited and happy about it. Hope you like. If you do, give me that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get told when we give you new videos. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.